Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing a website called Henrigirl to see whether it looks legit or if there are some warning signs you should know about before buying anything. Henrigirl describes itself as a jewelry brand created for bold and stylish people. According to the website, their jewelry is made using tarnish-resistant metals, designed to be durable, low maintenance, and comfortable to wear without irritation. They also claim their pieces are easy to mix and match, so customers can create their own unique style. On the surface, it sounds attractive, especially for those who like trendy jewelry at discounted prices. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about the concerns and red flags. One thing that stands out is that the domain was registered back in September 2006. A long registered domain is usually a good sign, as it suggests the website has been around for many years. However, when we look deeper, things don't fully add up. Despite being online for such a long time, there are no customer reviews available on the website itself, and there is no option for buyers to leave reviews. That's unusual for an online jewelry store that claims to sell to many customers. When checking external platforms, Trustpilot shows only one positive review. While that single review is not negative, the bigger question is why a website with such a long online presence has almost no customer feedback anywhere. This lack of reviews makes it difficult to judge real customer experiences. Another concern is the level of discounts. The website often promotes discounts of around 50 to 60%. While discounts are common, consistently high discounts can sometimes be used to pressure people into buying quickly without proper research. This doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does raise caution. The product images are another questionable point. Several images on the website appear to be copied from other websites. For a brand that claims to offer its own jewelry designs, you would expect original photos or branded images. Reused images are commonly seen on unreliable or dropshipping style websites. Contact information is also very limited. There is no clear phone number or physical business address listed on the website. Only generic contact options are shown. This makes it risky because if something goes wrong with an order, customers may struggle to get proper support. The legal pages are also not very detailed. They don't clearly explain how the business operates, which is something legitimate companies usually provide to build trust and transparency. Henrigirl does have an Instagram account, which is a positive sign at first glance. The account shows around 58,000 followers. However, engagement is very low, with few comments or interactions on posts. This mismatch between follower count and engagement raises doubts about how genuine that audience really is. So, what's the final advice? Henrigirl does not appear to be an obvious scam, but there are many unanswered questions and concerns. Until the brand shows stronger transparency, more real customer reviews, and clearer contact details, it's better to be cautious. If you're interested in similar jewelry, consider buying from a reputable and well-known platform or brand to reduce risk.